Don't live, the guest speaker, don't live.
Don't live.
Yo, Mera, yeah, yo.
Thank you. Whoever brought this here, thank you very much. It made my work easier. But I think I should go.
I may not use a voice.
Let me see.
I'm not going to
Can you?
reason.
Thank you, comrades. Thank you, friends. Thank you, scholars. Thank you, brothers. My name is Musa A.F. Sharif. And that's all to it. The organizers had reached out and said, I should send a bio. And I said, no, I don't have one. The only bio I have is my name and my identity. So my name is Musa A.F. Sharif. I am a Nigerian, a nationality constrained by one of the pitfalls of post-colonial consciousness. So I'm a Nigerian by nationality, and then I am first and principally an African. That's me. I'm happy to be here. I'm glad to once again return to the source, what Amilcar Cabral would call return to the source. I'm glad to be back in this familiar space. This is where it all started. About 10 years ago, I stood up in this same place. Not in this building, but in this space. Space in this case I take for the people, the ideas expressed, and the goal towards which those ideas are expressed. So it feels good to be back to a familiar space and to see some familiar faces. And in that regard, I want to send my greetings to all of you. I want to greet a friend, a brother, and somebody who shaped me when we were here. Vani Ali Jesse, who is not with us today, wherever he is, I wish him speedy recovery. I also want to recognize and greet Comrade Seth, who has been a brother and a very staunch supporter. He's given me so much support. He's been around, he's pushed me, and part of my being here today is because of him. I want to say thank you to the organizers of this event, to Shabazz, Comrade Taylor, Comrade Wama, Comrade Mika, and to everybody else. I want to greet all the students from the various student movements in Nigeria. We are here to talk about, to celebrate, to commemorate the African Liberation Day. And have been tasked by the organizers to talk on the theme, the Alliance of Sahel States, symbol against imperialism and neocolonialism. I've been told to speak on that theme. And my approach to this, I decided I'm going to write a speech instead of coming to bluff my way. I think occasions like this deserve a nuanced conversation. And because I didn't want to be very indisciplined, I decided to accord it that respect by writing down my thoughts. So a few things about the speech I'm going to deliver, I'm about to deliver. The first is that the speech is going to be both historical and to some extent academic. Okay? It's not a normal speech one will deliver on occasions like this, which will be opinion and perspectives, although I'll also give some of those. But I decided to make it a bit academic, and the way I decided to do that is, since we are talking about imperialism and neocolonialism, two forces that are wreaking havoc in our world today, not just in Africa but around the world, I decided to visit some of the people some of the thinkers, some of the brains, some of the scholars who have touched on this topic, who have explored the realm of imperialism, its various dynamics, characteristics, and features, but also to visit scholars, thinkers, and practitioners who've talked about, who've demonstrated, who have fought against neocolonialism. So in that regard, I'll be visiting a few key thinkers to lay down the basis of our conversation. And then after that, I'll go into the topic for the day, which will be somehow brief because we don't have more time here. And that's going to be on the nature, the history, and the object of this new epoch that we call the Alliance of the Sahel States. An alliance that is right by us here. What does it mean? Where is it headed? What sense can we make? Right? In so doing, I do not present these ideas to you as an expert. No, I won't. I'm not one. I'm a student just like you. I'm a student of history, and this is an attempt, if anything, to try my best to follow that tradition of knowledge acquisition. Right? That said, thank you very much. Thank you, comrades. Thanks for inviting me. And for inviting me of, what is the population of Liberia? 5.2. Of the 5.2 million people we have in Liberia,